In today's video, I will walk you through how to track cryptocurrency price on Coingecko. Start by opening Coingecko and searching for the coin you want to track. Once you find it, open the coin's page and scroll down until you reach the price chart section. The first thing to do is adjust the chart's time frame. You'll see options such as 24-hour, 7D, 1 million, 3 million, 1Y, and max. Select 24-hour to view recent price movement over the last day. Switch to 7D to see how the coin has performed over the past week. You can then select 1 million or 3 million to view a broader range of price activity. If you want to look at longer-term movement, choose 1Y to view the coin's complete price history. Select max. Move between these different time frames to see how the price has changed over time. This allows you to view both short-term and long-term movement directly from the chart. Next, switch from the default line chart to the Candlestick Chart. This chart provides additional price information for the selected time period. Continue viewing the chart using your preferred time frame to analyze the coin's movement. On the same page, check the percentage change figures displayed for different periods. Coingecko shows percentage changes over 24 hours, 7 days, and 30 days. Review each of these values to see how the coin has performed across multiple timeframes. While tracking price movement, also review the volume and market cap information shown on the page. These figures are available alongside the chart and price data. Check them together with the price chart when reviewing a cryptocurrency. When analyzing a coin, avoid focusing only on the 24-hour view. Switch between shorter and longer time frames, including 1Y and max, to see a broader picture of the coin's performance. You can also zoom in and out on the chart to review different sections of price history. By regularly checking the chart, percentage changes, compare feature, volume, and market cap, you can track cryptocurrency price movements over time directly on Coingecko.